Hello, in my 122 viewers. What's up? I'm fine. Very fine. As fine as. Hello from India. Hello to Sherpa Thai and to Detrick Morgan. What's up? I'm okay. Mm, I'm Sunday. Sorry, guys. But I am sleepy too. It's my 137. Comment below, guys. What happened to my comment? I can't read. Can't read the comment. Top messages. But there's no comment anymore. You comment, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And also there's a join membership and the super chat and the super thanks to support my your idolized Naomi Single Moms blog. Look at where's the comment? I can't read it. Comment, guys, comment. All messages. Okay, you're looking hot. Okay. Hello. Come closer. Get closer. We get to touch. And send. Like this. You're so pretty, mom. Thank you. Amador. Press. Hide. I will hide. Hello, everyone. Ooh, what's up? I like that, mom. What you like? I like. What's this? Have done husband. No idea how I. Yesterday I went to jewelry shop. I asked him to give me 24 carats gold. He had to go there, but he gave me address of your smile and heart, which are pure than gold, mom. Thank you. Thank you, Hamilton. It's so a nice message. No, you have to take a kiss in hand and send in the air. Here's a kiss. Send in the air. Me, I am from Philippines. Hello, Jelly Boy Vlog TV. Hi. Hi, Jelly Boy. Hello. Hi, pretty lady. Hello, Ramon 0327. A big shout out. I love you, and thank you, MMM4TC. Thank you. I'm the auntie. Hello, Alison Santos Ferreira, and to Sumbun Chok Maka. Hello, Jelly Boy TV. Please jacket, mom. FM Baso Batangas. Okay. I will give you a jacket. You like? Oh my god, no, it's not. From Batangas, shout out. Add, where's he? No, wait. Add as moderator. Okay, we're under, what's that? Under for, hello, Bats29 from London. Where are you from, this video? I am from Philippines, in the city of the Pitan. In the city of the Pitan. Hello to my 123.